Okay, so there's a few ways you can do this. Can anyone think of any way? You could get a common denominator on the left, absolutely, and then cross multiply. Okay, that's the way we had been doing it. Another way is to see what all of those things go into on the bottom. What do 5, 20 and 4 go into? 20. Okay, so you can get a common denominator all across the bottom, and then if all the bottom of the fractions are equals, that means the top are equal. Okay, or even quicker than that, to just avoid that, you're going to multiply everything by 20. And what's going to happen is things are going to cancel on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply this by 20, this by 20, and a 20 here.
Why don't you multiply it by like 4 if you get 20 on the bottom?
So what you're looking for is what do 4, 5 and 20 all go into?
Oh, so 20 has to go.
It has to go into it as well, exactly. Now eventually you can just skip this line, okay? Well, when I multiply fractions, I multiply the top by the top, don't I? Okay, so I'll show you now. Basically what I'm doing is I'm multiplying everything by 20, so it's keeping the sum the same. I haven't actually changed the sum. Okay, now if you still want to just get a common denominator, that's totally fine. I'm just showing you another way. Okay, now 5 goes into 20 how many times? 4. 20 goes into 20 and 4 goes into 20 5 times. So you actually end up with getting rid of the bottom line there. And then you're just going to keep tidying. Get your letters to the left. Are there any issues with that? Yes, sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Thursday instead of Wednesday, is that alright? Because I know you have a few tests Wednesday, have you? Yeah, okay. Okay. Now you don't have to take the next bit down. Can I get rid of it? Yeah. Okay. Another way you could have done it is to get a common denominator with these two, which would be 20. 5 by what gave me 20? It was 4, so I put a 4 up there. 20 by what gave me 20? It was just a 1. Okay? And then you'd get 8t minus 12 plus 1 over 20 equals t minus 4 over 4. You don't have to take it down. Sorry, where did that 4 come from? It's a 1 from there. Okay, and then you'd get 8t minus 11 over 20 equals t minus 1 over 4. And then you could cross multiply. 4 goes up there, 20 goes up there, and you end up with the same thing. Is that alright? Yeah?
If you put it all over 20 and have the equal sign on the top line, would that be wrong? Or?
No, that's perfect as well. So you could get it all over 20, and then if this, and this are over 20, you just put the top line equal to each other. Okay? So that's another way you could have done it. And
you end up with that, would you always cross multiply? Because I don't know why, but like before I would have like over 20, I would have put like 20 over 1 multiplied by t minus 1 over 4. I would have taken the 20 to the other side.
oh, okay, no. If ever you have a fraction equals a fraction, you're always crossing multiply.
Okay.
Cross multiplying, yeah. Are we okay with this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why do you cancel the 20 on the top and the 4 on the bottom? It's not on the board now.
Yeah, because how many times does 4 go into 20? That's why they cancelled.
Multiply the 5 by
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
So if there was another bracket on the bottom beside 4, you would multiply the 5 by that bracket as well?
On the bottom?
Yeah, or no?
No. Top by top. Okay? Very quickly, this is one of the questions. I don't want to do it, I just want to talk about it. What are you going to do? Okay.
You know, from the last question, have you finished that up, or is that the answer?
No, I didn't finish it. No.
Do you like top by top and bottom by bottom? Do you too?
Okay, you can, but what are you multiplying the bottom by?
1, like 4.
Okay, exactly. So like, basically, this is actually all over 4. Because it's 3 over 4 by this thing. So yeah, you're multiplying the 3 by the top and the 4 by the bottom, which is just 1. Okay? So that just might make it a bit easier. If you do have a fraction like this, you can put it all over 3. Okay? Because they're being multiplied. Is that alright? Okay, let's keep going.
Please, for the following students, come to reception now. Ashling Person,